better look at the parts van, or the project van. Here we have the solar charge controller. The current voltage of the house battery. This shows the amps not coming in, no voltage from the solar panel. This is the battery voltage. So we'll be hooking up. This is registered as a 1.3 kilowatt hour house system. But this is the inside of the Westy solar package. Okay, so this is a picture. Now we're seeing the house, the cranking battery. This is the battery just adjacent to the house battery. And then this is the cranking battery. This is a Chinese solar charge controller that we profiled earlier, and this is quite a bit cheaper than the Renogy. Actually provides a little bit more user information, or it allows more set points, more adjustability, and displays more. So this is the temperature, and currently there's no solar panel connected, so we see no charge. This shows that there's no voltage from the panel. The panel that we're using is just a quick and dirty old recycled 80-watt panel, and in keeping with recycling, we're using recycled wire and connectors, and now we have a voltage. This is now charging. We put a steep profile on it, so we're charging. The alternator charges at up to 14 volts, 14.5 volts, and so this was a very low battery, 11.9 volts. So this is actually the second day that I'm charging, and we're putting out 3.2 amps from the solar charge controller to the battery. At the same time, we can see we have 3.5. Today's a hot day. So this is the solar panel that's been dismounted from the car, and after checking and verifying the polarity, we're going to connect it, and we should see. So this is the voltage from the panel, and currently we're putting out 1.2 and climbing 12.8, so the battery is fairly low. It had been drained dead. So this is the second day of recharging, and hopefully we'll get up close to 3. This is an MPPT charge controller, so it says they suggest this is 20%, up to 20% more efficient. We'll see how that takes, how long it takes, how that looks. Mind you, it takes a little while for it to ramp up and match the battery. So we're at 2 amps here, and that is still pretty close to this guy. With the sun fluctuating, clouds passing by. We're at 3.2 amps with a lead acid battery The house battery is a lithium battery, so there are differences. But this gives a rough idea. It was only because I was able to change the settings and charge at a higher voltage that made the difference in terms of how many amps I'm putting out into the battery. But I certainly can match the MPPT, the more expensive solar charge controller, just using this PWM charge controller. That is quite a bit cheaper. And actually this is very handy. So this is a picture of the panel after the dashboard. This is the interior after the dashboard's been removed and the HVAC system has been removed. So a lot of wires. We're going to be stripping out all the electrical systems individually and repackaging them for another van. Okay, so this is the complete teardown. Complete electrical assembly. Passenger side. Power mirrors with defrosting. Defrosting mirrors. Power windows. Power window motor regulator assembly. Power locks. Lock bolts.